everyone, welcome back. So I have a channeling of the collective of Divine Mothers I channel, is the Lost Mother, the Cosmic Mother, the Mother of all, and the Mother of all creation. And it's kind of a powerful one. I'm interested to see how it's going to be received, but it is a message about what's reactivating on Earth, those that are about to awaken more strongly, this rebalancing, harmonization of the all, which stems from masculine and feminine energies of the lost mother, and who I call the seeking eye, rejoining each other now that the lost mother is unlocked, restored, and how that corresponds to what's happening on Earth, how Earth has shaped that process as well. And it's just a little bit more clues to the puzzle about how we're expanding, and not to get stuck on your expansion, to keep going and allow yourself to keep learning from others who awaken, providing space for those who awaken to explore their own knowings and remembrances safely. And it's a very powerful message, and I hope that it resonates with you. If you ever want me to break these down a bit more, I can always do that. I might need to do a video kind of about my perception, my awareness of the lost mother at some point when that feels right. It feels like that should be done just to help you understand more of the story and what I've seen through my own experiences. And I'll just add that this is very much connected to Atlantis, before Atlantis fell and rose, and sort of remembering how the earth should function, how the earth should be in its natural state, and how we are part of the earth and how we function with the earth and part of creating heaven on earth. I hope you enjoy this message. I would love to hear how it lands with you or your own stories. Please like, share, subscribe as always. We are here as a collective of divine mothers that you know that she has introduced you to. The lost mother, the cosmic mother, the mother of all, and the mother of all creation. We want to bring forward the knowing that now you are here in a time where you are more than you believed yourself to be, more than you were told to be. This time on Earth, in the stars, in the cosmos, through us, is a time where you find all parts of you and bring them back together in one through a full expression of self. But it is also a rebalancing of what has been lost, bringing it back through you, through Earth. We share this as the lost mother, you know, is a lost part of the all, a lost part of us, of our body, a being in her own entirety, a divine mother, an expression that took the brunt of toxic energy into her. And so too, this is reflected on Earth. Earth is a divine mother who took the weight, the brunt of a darkness into her to heal it in order to rebalance it, to give the opportunity for the rest of the cosmos to breathe, to move, to rebalance themselves and re-find themselves. And through time and space, a seeker has found the parts that he needed in order to rejoin the all. This may not make sense to you, but we want to provide the pieces of your understanding to see that rebalancing us, the divine mothers, with their masculine counterparts. In some ways, there was one pair, the lost mother and the seeking I, who went on a journey to represent all. A journey that is reflected throughout the cosmos in time and space and dimensions and aspects that they have created and designed to play out a game. A game that birthed time and broke it in one. She does not like to say that a game birthed time, for that is not how she knows it. It is a creation in itself, a construct that allows matter to be perceived. And she does not want to talk of a creation as a game. And it is truly not, but through many of you, that is how you understand this mission that you have been put on as a game. But in truth, it really is more than that. It is an experience that allows you to grow and evolve and to come into fuller aspects of your own divine self and expression, one that will surpass many in different places, in different dimensions. You just cannot see it yet. And we offer you that this rebalancing of a mother through all is reflected down through dimensions and time and space to you. But it is also reflected back up to us, because we could not have gotten here without you, without Earth, without you all playing the role that you have to heal yourself, to decide what you wanted for yourself, without falsities, without dark, toxic obstructions. Because as Earth heals, as you heal her, that is what allows us to be found. It is a chain and a circle, because that is how it was designed, in order to heal the all. So what does this mean for you on your journey now? It means that energy, time, is moving anew, moving differently now. It is not corrected, but the energy, the reparations, we will say, are now allowed to be made, to be perceived, and to stay. The time, the work, the effort, the preparation for this period was just that, preparation for receiving, for creating anew, for seeing past the false lenses in their entirety, for clearing away enough distortions and control, and for enough of you taking back your power to lead the others to do so. And as you lead those who need to back to themselves. They will be turning on much quicker, much more rapidly than many of you may have experienced yourself, because that is what is needed now and what can be achieved. The ones who will awaken rapidly to their own power and to their own sovereignty need to be allowed the space to show you what they remember. They need to be allowed to safely explore their knowings and remembrances, for they brought more than you yourself have. So you allow them to show you their expansion, and through them you learn more of yourself. And as you learn more of yourself, more pieces of you will come back home that allow you to expand more. And we say this for those who believe, who know that they are further developed on their journey. Do not get stuck in your expansion. Do not limit yourself because you believe you are already expanded. Because if you allow yourself to grow with those who awaken now, with those who remember more than you do, we will say like this one does, but she does not want to bring it through, but we will bring it through anyways, is if you do not allow those who remember more to expand you, you may lose yourself again. And we do not say that to discourage you. We just say that to encourage you to learn from those around you and to not limit yourself through a perception of being finished, of being enlightened. Because you will see that the way that some of you have perceived being enlightened was a form of separation, was a form of control. And we are sorry to say that now, but it must be seen for some of you that you've limited yourself through light by, as we said before, not acknowledging the expansion in your darkness, in your emotions, in the parts of yourself that you shamed, in the parts of yourself or the world around you, or the energy around you that you were told not to look at because it was shameful, because it may do something to you that you did not want, which is not true. By ignoring something, by not allowing yourself to see something, then how can you change it? How can you heal it? We share that this is a reckoning, a awakening, but a time of great potential. That if you allow yourself to see who you truly are, all parts of yourself, the paths that you have walked before, the parts of yourself that you allowed others to devalue, or the parts of yourself that you allowed to not be heard for various reasons. This is the time to bring your full self, your full consciousness through to your body. To allow your gifts, your energy to come through your body. And you cannot do that if you do not see yourself for who you are. And you cannot heal what is left to be healed on earth if you do not see it, if you do not turn it into gold, if you do not put your awareness on it. And it takes all kinds of people in different roles to see it, to do it, to be it. And as more who awaken, who remember what Earth was like before you were looking at it through a false lens, awaken, they will bring back how to heal more and more of it, how to activate more and more of your own wisdom inside of you. And how to connect you back to the all.